start. Even after more than 60 years of independence, poverty remains the most serious problems that India faces. Stop. India still has the world's largest number of poor people dwelling on its land. Stop. Of its population of more than 1.2 billion, and estimated 444 million are below the poverty line, out of which 61% dwell in the rural areas of the country. Stop. Most of them are daily workers, landless laborers and self-employed householders. Stop. A major percentage of this population is illiterate, with women, tribal and scheduled castes particularly being affected in large numbers. Stop. Today, one is every three persons living in abject poverty all over the world is an Indian. Stop. Poverty is a situation, which gives rise to the discrepancy between what one has and what one should have. Stop. Burson Henry identifies a few dimensions of poverty such as lack of livelihood, strategies, inaccessibility to resources like money, land or credit, feeling of insecurity or frustration, and inability to maintain and develop social relations due to lack of resources. Stop. The three things that are usually used to define the concept of poverty are the amount of money required by a person to sustain the life below a minimum subsistence level and the living standard prevalent at the time, and the comparative state of well-being of a few and the deprivation of the majority in the society. Stop. The first two concepts refer to the economic dimensions of poverty, whereas the last one to its social needs. Stop. In terms of gratifying the basic psychological needs, poverty is measured in terms of an imaginary poverty line. Stop. The poverty line serves as a cut-off line for separating the poor from the not poor, given the size distribution of population by per capita consumer expenditure classes. Stop. Population with per capita consumer expenditure labels below the label defined by the poverty line is counted as poor. Stop. According to a 2005 World Bank estimate, 41.6% of the total Indian population falls below the international poverty line of $1.25. Stop. The purchasing power parity as per Indian standards is rupees 21.6 a day in urban areas and rupees 14.3 in rural areas.